Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy ShawnBNice back again with some more Heatrock, and today I have a very long anticipated unboxing for you guys, man. If you guys knew what I had to go through just to get my hands on this phone today. So first of all, depending on when I release this video, hopefully if I get everything done, edit and I have it released by Wednesday for you guys. But my phone came to the Sprint store Tuesday. The phone gets there and they're like, yo, we can't release the phone to you. I'm like, why? We don't have the okay to do so. So then I have to go to Twitter. I email Sprint. I tweeted Sprint. Got Samsung involved. T-Mobile got involved with it. I put them in it. I needed to get my hands on this phone for you guys. The manager made it happen. So, you know, Sprint made it happen, man. I appreciate y'all. Shout out to that. So, y'all already know, man, when we had a hood unboxing night, the hood unboxing knife on deck. Y'all know what time it is, man. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing. So let's see if we got a... Well, no, this slide out. Okay, there we go. This slide out. But first of all, before we even get to all that, let's read what we're looking at. All right, so here you have, you know, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, pre-installed SIM card, stereo headset, USB, nothing, pretty much what you used to, man. Y'all know what comes in the Samsung phones. We already know it's got an 845 Snapdragon processor, 3500 milliamp hour battery, 6 gigabytes of RAM. I mean, I'll throw the spec sheets up top for you guys or something like that so y'all can check it out. But y'all already know, man. If y'all watching this video 9 times out of 10, y'all already know what to expect from this phone. So that's the perks about having a butter knife. I almost cut my hand off. All right, okay. Let's go ahead and do this. La la la. Pull this joint out here. Okay, that's cute. Let's see let's see what they got in here first of all. Before I say it's cute. All right, up. You already know shit we don't read. Throw that. Got the SIM injection tool. Now I went with the black variant. I wanted the blue one, but I was like, I kind of miss black. Plus my Icon Nexus are black. My Samsung Gear S3 is black. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is the device, y'all. It's gorgeous as it's looking. And here you had a charger, of course, USB connector. Take the stuff out the box. I mean, y'all already know what it look like. They go to headphones, USB-C cable, stuff we already used to. So let's go ahead and get past all that. Let's get straight to the device. Now, I won't be going too in depth with it because again, this is more so just an unboxing. I'll be definitely testing out the gaming performance of this phone, the speaker quality. We can actually check the speaker quality now. Just kind of give you guys an idea what it's gonna look like. All that, man, I got y'all covered. Trust me. We're gonna leave the plastic on at least until I get on here and put a case on it or something. I got a case from Spigen, and I got a screen protector from like O Tower or something like that. We'll definitely check that out, man. I'll let you know if they're worth the purchase or not. I'm trying to get a white stone dome one. So anybody who know white stone dome, man, tweet them and say, hey, yo, get Sean a glass screen protector for the S9 Plus. Got a pretty decent amount of battery in here. Hi there. So, you know, this screen and all that, man, let me go ahead and put this information in real quick. Don't want y'all seeing that. Okay, it is connected. We're gonna hit next. Of course, I agree to all of that. I'll let y'all know about, like, as far as the intelligence scan, when I come to that part of the screen, I'll switch back on. So of course we're gonna breeze through the apps, but I kind of just want to show you guys something real quick. I have 127 apps that has to be re-downloaded. So if you guys see any like hiccups or something like that, man, please take that with a grain of salt. Again, this is a lot of apps to put back on the device. So let's hit restore, and we're gonna set up intelligence scan now. I'm gonna try to position the camera where you guys be able to see that and actually see how it's gonna work. Okay, excuse the mess. But now we're finna set up intelligence scan. Let's do that. Register secure screen lock. Okay, so pin, go ahead and put this in. Okay, so it says precaution for using iris recognition. Before using iris recognition, make sure the camera and LED keeping the following precautions in mind to protect your eyes. Okay, blah, blah, blah. We know that, okay? So a smarter way to verify, intelligence scan combines face and iris scans to improve accuracy and even security, even low light, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Let's set that up. Okay, we're doing my face. Hopefully you guys can see that. Very fast, I give it that. Now rather do iris. Got it right in the sweet spot. Okay, so what I can say is definitely way faster than any other ones. And then they already kind of had you set up your transparency how you want it. I'm gonna leave mine's on high. I want my live screen to look just like that. See high content, no, we can auto reverse text color. Okay, yeah, I like that. So let's go ahead and go back to the normal view. Okay, protect your phone, blah, 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 of course, agree.
Okay, wait, there's an agreement that just popped up. Hang on, let me read the whole thing. Just hit accept. Well, that seems a little foolhardy, doesn't it, Peter? No, Peter, the whole thing's fried. I can't even... Ah! Oh, damn it, what the hell?
Hey,
Hey, you clicked accept.
Me Google Assistant, we could do all that later. Add and finishing touches. Here you sign into the account. And here you can restore your data from your Samsung cloud. So you definitely want to do that because I actually use Samsung cloud. I even bought more storage. I got like 50 gigabytes now. So, you know, now you can have all your messages restored, all that good stuff. And all this stuff is backed up from yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. So we're gonna restore that, install. All right, so after everything like this gets set up, man, we go through the secure folder. We look out the new emojis. We definitely check that out. Check out the speakers, kind of give a quick test shot. But this is definitely the wallpaper that's on my Note 8 right now. Let's see if they got the lock screen. They should. Okay, they ain't got the lock screen, but even still, like this to me, I'm already feeling it. Looks dope. Let's see how quick intelligence scan is. Okay, it opened up. I don't know if you guys caught that, but it definitely opened up. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and let this stuff kind of like catch up with itself, and then we'll breeze through it and see what we got going. All right, y'all, so everything is still downloading, but just to kind of put this disclaimer out there, I know you guys are wondering like, hey fam, when did you get this case and this screen protector? So I have already purchased this like last week sometime, but I took the phone outside. I recorded this a little bit, and then I came back, finished recording this, so y'all see that as well. But it's just a regular speaking case and like an old towel screen protector. Now, I will say this screen protector in this case does not work together. I have to kind of stuff the screen protector, as you guys can see. I have to kind of stuff it under the case. So I don't recommend a speaking case with this glass screen protector, or maybe this type of screen, or maybe this type of case in general. I don't think it works with tempered glass screen protectors. So, but overall, man, I'm just gonna kind of give you guys like the first things that I noticed since I've been out. I did take a couple of pictures and stuff like that. So the first thing I definitely want to touch on is the 4K 60 frames per second. Okay, so 4K 60 frames per second on this phone, honestly, it's magnificent. And I'm also going to show you guys like a sound, like give you guys a sound test. So this one, if I'm not mistaken, this is their 4K 60 frames per second, and yep, it is. Okay, so I'm gonna play this for you and let you guys hear the max volume. All right, so it's just me and my old lady driving Chicago. So I'm also just sticking the phone out the window to kind of check out stabilization. Let's see how it looks. Now here's max value. Skip forward a little bit. So as you guys can see, speakers on this is a huge difference. Just kind of give you guys, just kind of put it in better perspective. I'll play another song for y'all real quick. All right. Now this is full volume on this phone. All right, so I didn't even notice that about Android 8.0. So now you have this. That's pretty cool, as you guys can see, like the little color widget up there. I'm feeling that a lot. Now, just to kind of point out, if you see me do like a lot of extra touches, it's not because the phone is like tweaking, nothing like that. It's more so because this screen protector on, and again, it's not really, this screen protector is not for this. But the thing is, I was taking this phone outside and I didn't want to risk anything. You know what I mean? Scratched up or anything like that. So sound and 4K quality, two things that's a major win on this device already that I'm seeing. And I'm loving that. Another thing I like is like they kind of revamped the messaging app. So here I was messaging my homeboy. But as you guys can see, they have like a little icon now where you can send voice memos, better ways to send attachments. And you know, you can send like your little animated, your AR emoji, which I'm gonna touch on that in a minute. And you can, you know, again, send more gifts and stuff like that. So this is pretty cool. Now, speaking of AR emoji, I'm gonna go to my gallery real quick so I can show you guys a couple. Speaking of AR emoji, this don't look nothing like me. This is not my haircut. You guys know I got a beard. I look more like Blank Man. I don't know if y'all remember that. That's a hood movie back in the day for the kids growing up, man. Blank Man was a superhero movie with like, I think it was Damon Wayans in it. So yeah, I like Blank Man right here. If I was bald, I'm not feeling that at all. So the emoji, I know it got a long ways to go. I get that, but right now to me, just a tad bit gimmicky. But I'm gonna let them work with it. I mean, because honestly, the phone's technically not released yet, so they may push out a software date to get your boys some more Afrocentric hairstyles. Anything else that I've noticed? Let's see. So one thing I also did test out, because this is a huge issue with Samsung phones in general. Two things that they fixed, and I can vouch for it. They took off that the beauty mode is turned down. If not, it's almost obsolete at this point. On a front-facing camera, those who have Samsung devices know every Samsung device used to come like with the front-facing camera used to have this beauty mode implementation on it. And even if you turned it off like it was still on, that's not the problem here on this at all. If that's like a pet peeve of yours and you up for upgrade for that alone. And number two, they fixed the 1080p 60 frames per second, a focusing issue. I was able to gain focus real fast on here. Now they do still only limit you to 10 minutes for 1080p 60 frames per second, but nonetheless, it's better. Okay, they did fix that, so I give them kudos to that. So look, I'm not gonna get too far into the phone again because I'm not trying to make this a review. More so, that's my first impressions. But first impressions, it's a go. Okay, I'm loving it. I like it a lot. I'm glad I didn't really go kind of off these YouTube reviews. I kind of tested the phone for myself to kind of see. I like it a lot because like a lot of them kept pointing out, it's a fingerprint magnet. Why would you point that out? Like Samsung been making glass back phones since the S6. A lot of companies make glass back phones. Like glass will attract fingerprints. Like why is that even a topic of debate or a discussion? They keep tripping on Bixby. And I really think it's because they don't use Bixby a lot. Honestly, to me, Bixby low-key can kind of shit on Siri. And the reason I say that is because Bixby can actually control your phone. Like if you say, Bixby, good night, and you could set it up to say whatever it is. I mean, you can set it up to do whatever it is that you want. So the fact they keep sitting there harping over Bixby being an issue, to me, that's not an issue to me. You know it's coming on a Samsung device. So, and then on top of that, these reviewers are giving the S8 Plus a higher, like the S8 Plus had like a rating of a 9, all right, or 9.5. Let's just give it for, good metrics. Or let's say an 8.5. But then they're giving the S9 Plus an 8.5. It's like, if y'all saying that Samsung changed, they pretty much refined everything that was wrong with the S8 Plus, how is it even getting anywhere near the same score or a less than a score than the S8 Plus? Like, that doesn't make sense to me. You see what I'm saying? So, like, these are the reasons why I do my reviews for you guys, to let y'all know, to keep everything a buck with y'all, man, and keep everything 100% real, because this is my money that I'm going out spending this stuff on. So I have, I have a reason. I have no reason to lie. You know what I mean? I have no allegiance to nothing. I prefer Samsung phones, but there's no allegiance. So, off first take, just some straight unboxing, man. I make sure, just in case you guys want to check this case out, maybe this glass screen protector, I'll link down in the description below. But just off first rip, man, so far, Samsung, awesome job. The speakers and the cameras alone, and I did take a couple of test shots. I kind of want to show you guys that, just kind of give you guys a feel what the pictures will look like. So I took a picture here of the sky just to kind of see how the blue will look, and it looks good. You know what I mean? Like that, it looks really, really good. Really good. Everything still has a lot of detail. I really, really like the picture. I have no complaints with the picture at all. I'll show you guys another one. Just kind of show you the colors. Again, I mean, Samsung really, to me, they did a fantastic job, man. So far, okay, so far for the things that they implemented in the change. So, other than that, man, make sure y'all stay tuned in. My goal is to drop a game review on this week. I know a lot of people are waiting on the game review, my thorough game review, because I'm the only YouTuber really that does the game reviews like I do, where I'm giving you guys frames per second, temperature, actual performance statistics, where you can actually look at charts. And nobody doing that like that. So if you're really interested in that, man, make sure you subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button, man. Help this video grow, all that good stuff. It's your boy ShawnBNice, man. I'm out.